Tomorrow is the 6th day in the last week and a half that the weather forced schools to change plans. GCS went remote most of those. Winston-Salem Forsyth did not, and now is sorting out the domino effect on the rest of the school calendar. WFMY News 2's Nixon Norman is live in Winston-Salem after the board tried to find a solution.
Districts like Winston-Salem Forsyth County Schools have lost several days of instruction due to the conditions of the roads. Now it's time to figure out how to make that time up. Tonight, two options were given: go to school for 15 minutes longer every day, or go to school on makeup days, which could cut into the summer break. Now, this idea was brought up by Superintendent Trisha McManus to the school board and the community. She says 2 of the days missed will be forgiven, but in order to make up the other 5 days missed in just the last 2 weeks, a tough decision will have to be made. McManus says she spoke with several principals about the options today.
The feel was 15 minutes seems better than bringing kids back at the end of the school year, and so we are more than happy to do some type of mass 2-option survey. If you all want me to ask parents, kids, teachers, I mean, I can do that. It will take not long to send out something with 2 questions. Do you like this or this?
Board member Richard Watts said there's no need to take any kind of survey. He told Superintendent McManus that she and the board need to make a decision between the 2 options instead of getting the community involved. But one decision that was set in stone tonight is that moving forward, in the case of more weather events, the district will be going remote instead of working with delays or canceling school altogether.
A 2-hour delay does not, you don't do remote. So like tomorrow morning, we don't call remote for 2 hours and then say, okay, everybody remote for 2 hours and then you can come to school. It's one or the other. So tomorrow morning, that's 2 hours. So keep that in mind as we make the decision on what we want to do.
Now, if roads are still bad for the rest of the week, the goal is to send students home with packets this Friday. It'll set them up with 5 days of lessons going into next week. Live in Winston-Salem, Nixon Norman, WFMY News 2.